This is a custom-made safety shield from Rockford System, and it will be going on this extremely old and outdated drill press to make it the safest tool in the entire shop. Rockford System is more than just a company. They're a trusted partner in your mission for a safer workplace. Specializing in machine safeguarding and combustion safety, they offer a range of solutions designed to protect the most valuable asset of any business, its people. They're dedicated to helping you prevent physical injuries and other hazards associated with machine operations. And I got to say that Rockford System did an incredible job at crafting this safety shield. It has a great clear opening of plexiglass that's about 1/4 inch thick. And it's completely adjustable, so I can raise or lower the shield. And all the hardware on here is thick, durable metal. So the shield is going to last a long time, definitely longer than this old drill press. Rockford System is the gold standard in machine safeguarding and combustion safety solutions. If you're looking for shields, interlock devices, or safety controls, along with many other tools, then check out Pin Tool Co. for your Rockford System safety solutions.